Stop scraping the web for footage. Every sketchy downloader site is cluttering your drive with malware and low-res caps. ClipGrabber fix it. Instantly. No text overlays, no compression loss, no bloated accounts. Just raw assets when you need them. ClipGrabber is live. Link below. Go create.
So what's up guys, hope you are doing well. Now I'm gonna show you how you can download the software and run it. Now I am currently on my GitHub page, as you can see. As you can see, this is option that show releases. I'm gonna click on it and it will load, and you can see interface like this. And ClipGrabber version 2 is the latest version. You can see some screenshots here. I'm gonna click on this and scroll down, and you can see a setup.exe file. Click on that and it will start downloading. Wait for a while to download. After the file is downloaded, you can see a warning here. It's because the software is not hugely downloaded by many users. That's why the browser gives an error. Click on these three dots and click on keep. Click on this button, keep anyway. Now you are successfully download the software. So after downloading, this is the setup. You can double click on it and it will open like this. Click on I accept and click on next and click on next. That's error because I already installed the app. If you want, you can click on create a desktop shortcut. Click on next, click on install, and it will install like this. And after installing, click on finish, and straight away you can search for the app. It is so like this. Click on open and it will open. This is the ClipGrabber app. Here is the dashboard and here is the setting. You can change the theme. I would like the class theme. Next is the media target resolution. I have set it to best, and the media target frame rate is here, and this is the standard output type, MP4, MKV or WebEM. I will use MP4. And here is the default download location. You can set it to anywhere you like. And next, in the dashboard, there are two tabs. One is video and one is photo. Now I will show you how you can download the video through this app. In YouTube or any other similar platforms, you can simply copy the link and paste it here, and it will scan the video and it will show like this. I will choose the resolution to 1080p and the frame rate to 60 fps, and here you can see the estimated payload size. I will click on the download and it will download the clip like this. It is very fast, as you can see, and then it will convert to H.264 codec. FMPEG is converting it, re-encoding it actually. And now you can see download complete. And if I look at my downloads folder, here you can see the video. And if I open it, as you can see, it is in 1080p resolution and 60 fps. And to confirm it, you can look at properties, and here as you can see, it is in 1080p and the frame rate is 24 because the best frame rate is 24 that the video was uploaded onto YouTube. And that's it for the video tab. And next I will show you how you can download the photo through this app. And in your browser or any other social media, you can just simply click on a photo and copy its image link and paste it here. Next click on scan and it will show like this, and you can see the resolution here. I will click on trigger download and you can say download complete. Now I look at my downloads folder. Now you can see the image is in high quality and good quality, and it is downloaded successfully. If I look at the properties, you can see the resolution is same as here, and the depth is good, and that's it. Hope you like the video and hope you download the software and give a feedback to me. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment to this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you all.